welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm here with just a really cute summer hairstyle. I've basically just Dutch braided down both sides of my hair and used it as a hairband. Yeah, I just think this is a really cute simple hairstyle. This would be so cute for a festival, or even just like a little summer day out somewhere. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. So if you would like to see this tutorial, then just keep watching. Simple hairstyle tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos from me, thanks for watching.